Hey guys, we're going to make foaming hand soap today, homemade, a quarter of the price that you pay for regular foaming hand soap in the store. We have an empty foaming hand soap container. This is one that it's getting low, so we're going to make some more. And this is another one, so each bathroom, the kitchen, we have them everywhere. And we make our own, okay? So we're using this as hand soap. You can use bath soap. That's what those are. Let me show you how this works. Because whenever you buy this in the store, it's water anyway with the soap. And this will save you so much money. It's a quarter of the price. And we're just using a quarter cup of the soap. It doesn't have to be, completely accurate. We're just winging it, okay? See if I can get that in. I probably should have used that. We got it. So a quarter cup of soap. 2 3/4 cup of water. Just tap water. Whatever water you want.
Doesn't have to be warm or anything.
Does not. That's it, guys. That's it. We're going to put this lid back on. See, this one has nothing in it. Okay? A little bit foaming there. I tried to get it all out. But I'm going to show you what happens.
It has to sit for a while, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to just shake it just a little bit. Not too much that you get too much in it. Bubbles in it, okay? Whenever you make this, it takes a day or two of using it to actually get the foaming, okay? So this is what we're going to get with first, okay? See, it doesn't look like it's real, what you want, okay? But, get water everywhere, you're fine. This is the one that we have been using. And see how foaming that is? That's what it'll turn into after you keep using it for a day or so. It may not take that long. But we just keep using it. And then it turns into that, and it lasts forever, doesn't it? I mean, it just...
Oh, yeah. It lasts a long time.
It lasts a long time.
And you're not paying for all that water.
Right. So, guys, make it yourself. And you can put essential oils in there. 4 or 5 drops of essential oils, your whatever kind you want. That's going to be so good, guys. Save you a bunch of money. So, we're going to make some more. I'm going to fill all of these up. Let's make one with this right here. Because I love the smell of this soap. Dial.
Yeah, me too.
So it doesn't have to be hand soap. I just use body soap. I mean, your hands are your body, right? When you're in a shower, you're not pulling out specific soap. All right. Let me get some more water. Look at that. Shake it up just a little bit. You don't want too much bubbles. Like I said, after you keep using it, it'll all look like the regular soap. Look at that. So there we go. Guys, give this a try. If you use hand soap, the foaming, you buy that, quarter of the price. When I ran on to that recipe, and I've been using it for a long time, it's like, I've got to tell people. I cannot keep this secret. You can't. These here I bought on Amazon, and you just refill them. Just keep on refilling them. Guys, I hope you give it a try.
Or you can just buy one at the store, and then when it's empty, you make your own.
Which is what I did here. You keep reusing it until it breaks. Or it don't. You can buy glass ones, pretty ones to sit around.
Oh.
Match your decor.
Fancy.
Yeah, we don't have a decor. We just...
Nah. We're not fancy here.
We just buy what we like. All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Homemade hand soap. Foaming hand soap.
How cool is that?
Peace out.